How much does this whole renovation cost?
It actually took me about
$500,000?
yeah, right.
Today, we're at Parkland Residences in Upper Serangoon, and this might be one of the craziest transformations we've ever seen. Because this home is designed by Hengky, director of Reborn Interiors. And apparently, he designed the entire place himself.
Hello, welcome to my home.
Wow! So luxurious and nice eh! Okay, be honest. How much does this whole renovation cost?
You guess?
I guess.
Ever guess?
I
Yes,
guess
correct.
about 350k?
No.
No? How much is it? Tell me.
It actually took me about $500,000.
$500,000?
Yeah, right.
Why is it so expensive?
Okay, first one actually you won't be able to find any walls in my house because all is actually covered by slab itself. It's quite unique in Singapore because as an ID in this industry for so long, I never see once before. Because normally they won't do the whole unit with the marble slab itself. Then HDB wise, 我真没看到啦. That's why I decided to go this way and make it unique and with the one and only.
Wow. Hey, what is that? That's so cute.
Okay, this one is actually one of the special toys that actually I saw when doing the Bangkok trip itself. Basically 它是 Robic, OK 它是 cross 法律啦，它是一个 worldwide pieces, total 有about 98个而已。我买 one of the reasons 也是因为我本身属兔的。
Great choice eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. At any point during the renovation, do you regret going this extreme?
Actually at the start, yes, because I took a lot of the preparation, my times to prepare on this thing. I also afraid at the end of the result it's not what I expect. So after the completion, actually, some people that came up and all the feedback from them, actually, 那我觉得是值得的啦。Because I also have this planning for future use for my customer. They can also visit my house, but that will be only for exclusive customer 啦。
What's the
Yeah.
one feature in this house that people can't stop talking about?
当然，因为 actually 我是一个 fans of Versace. I believe will be the Versace house itself lah. Because in order to make this thing happen, actually I got to go through a lot of planning itself. Because just a Medusa face, actually there is 4 different angles. So not only that, if we go more in depth, actually you can see the joint itself. Actually it's all by marble grout, which have to color it. So this thing is all fully by gold color grouting. So actually it takes a lot of effort to make this thing happen.
I've never seen this before. Out of everything in this house,
Yup.
what's your favorite part in this?
This is the one.
Gaming
Yes.
room?
Yes. Because actually I used to be a full-time gamer since I was young. So when I do today, 我有自己的家，我一定要有自己的 gaming room.
Cyberpunk kind of vibe, right?
对
I see that your gaming room also have like shooting stars in the
Yes,
ceiling.
you're right.
Tell me more
Because
about it.
I don't wish being whenever I at home because not only for my gaming purpose, also for working purpose. So I don't wish that I'm in the office working. So I essentially inbuilt this shooting star together. Yeah, not only that, actually for my full gaming table and also the wall. Because normally nowadays people do design, they use partition. But for mine, it's actually fully carpentry.
What's the most time-consuming part during your whole renovation journey?
To be honest, one of it will be the 3D design phase itself lah. Because way before I start my project, I think 3 to 4 months in advance, actually I start preparing the design and so on already. There are 3 quite supporting 3D things itself lah. So in total, actually I took about 30 to 40 different drafts.
30 to 40?
You're right. So even when I kick off the project, I still adjusting the design. 因为人家每次讲啊，自己东西永远是最难做的，因为我会有自己的 expectation.
Nobody would dare to go this bold with their home.
Only Hengky from Reborn Interior can do it for you.
And honestly, after seeing this place, I kind of believe him. So if you want to check out more of Reborn Interior work, visit renopedia.sg where you can contact with them directly.
And do help me like and share Reborn Interior as well. Bye.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.